Bulanua, Nangureki. Become a bird across the reef, riding on the trade winds high. Forget the noise, forget the grief, let the city worries die. We have no time to look behind, leave the crowded streets today. The blue horizon's what we'll find, cast the heavy doubts away, what will rise. Whoa, whoa, whoa. Reaching up to touch the sky. Who can tell what tomorrow's tidal wave will buy? After the endless dream has gone, inside this empty world we see, even when hope is getting weak, I know that you're right next to me. Though our fragile wings are torn, trapped inside a stormy night, we will soar above the sea. Oh my love, into the light. The radio plays a fading song, echoing down the empty coast. Forget the rules where we belong, chasing what we love the most. No time to hide behind the mask, standard excuses fall apart. Oh, yeah, wow, right. Oh, wow, wow. Through the island shores tonight. Who can tell? We don't need a map to make it right. Even when tomorrow brings an unexpected stormy shore, even when heavy shadows fall, we will keep on wanting more. Clever words and hollow lines can never move a stubborn heart. We will fly on broken wings, oh my love, a brand new start. My, Iritiko ena, wasa wasa, yeah. Born from the ocean, steady emotion, riding the crest of a brand new devotion. Forget the fake talk, walk through the fire. Choir behind me is taking us higher. Vinaka, vakalevu for the strength in my soul.